Notice here from the dashboard that we have already have that 3 campaigns ongoing. We have 0 pending campaigns, 0 processing campaigns, and 2 completed campaigns. Of course, we've not set up any scheduled campaign, having our videos are set up and thereafter setting a specific time for the campaign or for the video to go on a live broadcast on either YouTube or Facebook. So let's quickly get that covered. Now, coming to YouTube here, of course, we still go through the process of creating a new campaign. We want to create a new campaign here now. Now, on the campaign, we would want to set it up as a scheduled campaign. So let's have this as a SociLive stream in action. Alright, so that's a campaign. I will select the channel. Of course, we want to set that up. Now, on our video title, we could also have it as SociLive stream in action. Alright, of course, we have the privacy type set to public, so you can also set your video description here, like mentioned, to improve your SEO. So you could just have it here, SociLive stream action, just video guide to use. Okay, so you just have it there. Now on our keyword suggestions here, so we could just say live streaming video marketing. So, alright, so you could have as much video tags as you want to. Of course, you know, we can just pick our video here to upload. So let's pick one and upload. So we can just pick and upload, but we want to pick from our already uploaded files that we have on our media library, so as to make it pretty faster for us. So let's select it. Alright, so we want to pick from our walkthrough guide video, which we've set up here. So you can come straight here to add a video thumbnail image. So you can now add thumbnail image. So scroll down to select thumbnail image here. So you can just use this as a video thumbnail image. So once it loads, we're going to see the delete button there. So once you scroll down, while that is ongoing, we'll leave that as an upload, which we've just set up. Now we'll already have it as live streaming. Then we have a scheduled time, which is later. Now on your schedule, you want to ensure that you select the time zone. So you want to work with the Eastern time zone, which is same American time zone in New York. We have it there. Now on our timing, we want to select the date, which is saying on the 12th, and we want it. Notice here that the interval is about an hour interval, so we could just leave it at 2 AM. So if you have it at 1, you already have 1:46, so you could choose to have it at 2 AM, which is an hour interval. So once that is done, you scroll down to set up other parameters. Message will be used for social sharing. You can say, kindly share this quick guide to assist friends using SociLive. Alright, so we can just drop that there. And of course, we are saying live event should be created during the scheduled time, which is what we've set. So you can now come below here to select your connected account to have it shared on your entire 10 social account that are committed. So we are selecting all our connected social accounts to get them published all at once this goes live. So we are already doing this. Alright, so select the profile timeline which you want to use, select that, or select the pages you want it. You can select all and it does that. You can also select the groups, you can also choose to select all and it does that. So once you're done doing that, you can also set your SMS notification. If you already have a lead list which you want to publish to, you set it up there. You select your SMS API which you've set up. So you could just here say, hey, go online at exactly 2 a.m. Eastern Time, as we shall be live on SociLive stream drive. Alright, so you could have that there set up. You could also have this content brought to the same group to be sent as an email. You select your connected email account and you also drop it here. Once you drop the same content here, or you could edit it further, then you hit on create campaign. Great, says the campaign has been created successfully. Please see the report. Of course, if you see the report, you're only going to see the scheduled time for which this event will go live on your social account. Alright, so you see no links has been created yet. It's showing pending, status pending, and once you scroll down, you can view any of this report to see when it has gone. Alright, so notice here that if you come to the dashboard here, under your YouTube section, you will notice now that we have one pending, and we have upcoming campaign, which is that which has been listed here, social live stream in action. So you can also get to see the report, and the scheduled time is shown here, showing that about 2 a.m. Eastern Time, this is going to go pop live. Alright, so let's now also see how we can set a campaign on pending, on schedule, on Facebook. Pretty the same thing happens there. So once you hit on Facebook, you hit on create campaign. Alright, so on our campaign, you give it a scheduler name. You could also give it a social live stream in action. Alright, so you drop the same messenger which will be shown on your Facebook. So you have it here, hey, SociLive stream in action guide will be live in about an hour from now. Don't miss it. So you have that there, don't miss it. You can come straight here to upload your video which you want to use, or you could still select from our library, your library of our video collections. So let's say pick the exact video we want to use from our library. So that's the video we're using. Of course, we are scheduling this for a later time. So it's already fixed there. Like mentioned, for later time sharing or for later time going live, you have to set the plan time in which to go live. So we'll have this fixed, and we are saying an hour time, which is 2 already picked. You also need to ensure your time zone. We are already set on America, New York, which is the Eastern time zone. So we'll have it there. So you can come to your right pane here to select the message from which you want to share on your social medias. Hey, social live stream in action will be live at exactly 2 a.m. Eastern time ensure your line to benefit from this great guide. Alright, so we have the setup there. You need to select your social account for which you want it to go live. So you can go ahead, select a connected account. You can also come down, select the connected account. You come down, select connected account as well. We keep going down, selecting all connected accounts for which we wanted to share. We set it up there. Now, if you scroll below here, you also need to set up either timeline on the page for which you want it to be shared. So let's say we want to share it on the page here. Now, you can also come down straight here to select the SMS notification lead list. It should be sent to. You select the API, which from the connected one. We can also use the same content we are sharing on our social account to send them on our SMS as well as an email. An email, you could further improve the text content because it could occupy even more text. So select the API of connected account you want to send it to, so you drop it there. So once that is connected, now you can also set this if you want to auto share this post only WhatsApp posts. You can have it auto shared there. If you want it to share on timeline, you can also have it set there to share as a page. You select the page which you want it to act as. You can scroll down to see all connected pages, so you can choose to use that. Or to post or to like this post, you can also enable that. You can also keep out the comments and place a comment here. Hey, really impressed. Really impressed. SociLive stream is really game changer. Alright, so we have it there. Great, so once you are done setting all of these parameters, you just need to hit on create campaign. Once you hit on create campaign, it will be scheduled for a later delivery. Great, so we have it there. Live campaign has been created successfully, so you can also hit to see the list. Great, so you can see it here that is already listed as our campaign that is pending. Of course, you can also get the embed code, which you can get embed on any page you want it. So you can also visit the post once it goes live. Of course, if you get to see this, you can get to see the reminder showing, hey, SociLive streaming action guide. Action guide will be live in about an hour from now, don't miss. So you can now hit and get reminder. So once you hit and get reminder, it says reminder set. So on this particular social account, you have a reminder telling you that this video will be on live.